Okay, YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. We're in a new spot of Hawthorne, New Jersey. We are by the Volvo dealer. Right over there is the Volvo dealer. We're behind the Volvo dealer, naturally, as you can see. And today is the 14th of July. Never saw this part of Hawthorne. Nice. Nice mountain. There's the sun. The Volvo dealer is to my left. And I believe that's Goffo Road over there. Yep. Go that way and you're going to Midland Park. Go that way and you're going to Patterson. So let's film by here by the Volvo dealer. Maybe I can share this one. Temperature is 89 degrees. Let's see how this guy's sway. And I'll make sure you guys are straight. I think you guys are straight. And you're recording, thank God. And we're gonna see where this journey takes. We're gonna go up, and I don't know what's up there. And if nothing's there, we'll come back this way. Yeah, I want to thank my subscribers, my viewers. Appreciate you guys. I don't know if I mentioned, oh wow, look at this. This never came over here. What is this? Is this the brook that goes into Goffo Brook? I know it comes from that way and then this way too. Wow. This is pretty cool. I gotta come here during the day maybe. Let's see. Yep, it is a little creek brook. And that sucker's flowing pretty good, man. Yeah, this is what goes into Goffo Brook. Passaic County, look, here it is. Union Street. Can you read that? Yeah. So you know what? Let's go this way. What is the name of this street? Union Street? Yeah, this is Union Street we're on. We'll have to come back here some other day. It's too dark over there. But you know what? Let's check this out. This is nice over here, the creek. It flows this way, right into Goffo Brook. So we just came this way. So we're gonna go this way. Wow, this is nice. Filming it. It might be a turnaround, I don't know. Car behind me. Yeah, it is a turnaround. But at least we got to see this. So we got to come back the way we came. I get one of these once in a while. Waves at me. Wonder what he's thinking. What is this guy doing on a bike? Probably lost, right? No. Just having fun recording, enjoying the day with my e-bike. Part of Hawthorne we never been to. Remember, the Volvo dealer is over there. Goffo Brook is over there. We've never ever been here. Might have to do it during a nice sunny day. It might be nicer. Let's go down this street here. Woodside Ave. Ooh, this is up a hill. Woodside Ave. We got the sun to my left. And some kind of lights going on over here. I don't know. Want to go down this way? Let's go down this way. We'll make a right. Don't forget the Volvo dealer is right there, to the right. We might have to go back up that way. I don't know. Oh well, oh yeah, we went up that way. Up and around over there, and we came here. Now we can go up this way. This is where we started and went that way. Okay, so we started here and went that way. Yep. So we'll go left. We ain't going this street. Laura Street. Let's go by Laurel Street. Let's check it out. We might have to turn around, come back down about. At least it's something to look at. Yeah. Wow, that sounded like something was fighting over there. Should we go see? Let's go up this way. Wow, something like Glen Court. That's going to be a turnaround. Kenwood Road. Kenwood Road. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Something new, right? It's not going to be good with the lighting, but it's a little grainy. Wow, what road is way over there? Oh, that's the highway. That's 208. Wow, it comes this way. That's right. Because the Volvo, the other 208's right there. Okay, that's cool. And with my luck, I know what's going to happen. The phone's going to go off. Remember that? See? That's what we heard before. I thought it was animals fighting. Oh, it is now. Yeah, I thought they were animals fighting. Let's go up here. We'll go to the right. We'll go up. Look at this lady. Oh my God. It's 10 to 7, and she's gonna, well, we're gonna have to start heading back soon. Let's see how much battery I got. Oh, I'm good. Wow, I did 10 miles already. Can I go up this way? Yeah, I can. Looks like a police cruiser. It is. Hawthorne Police. We'll make this right here. Can I? Oh no. That was gonna be, oh no, that's cool. You'll come up and around. Oh, I can't go this way here. Oh, can I? What's over here? Oh, 208's right here. Wow. That's 208. Someplace I've never been. It's dark though. That's nice houses with the American flags. Hawthorne Police lives here, I guess. Nice over here. Should I make this left? Or did we come up straight? We just came up Glenwood. Let's go straight down. Glen, we can't go that way, it's a turnaround. Yeah, I can't move with the gloves, it won't let you. You need your hand. You gotta slow down first. Oh, my nose is itchy. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, 9 minutes. We got time. Yeah, it's fun riding an e-bike. Remember, I keep saying that. My GoPro went out before because the battery got hot. But as long as you change the battery, you'll be good. Yeah, it's going to be a good one, I think. Look at this. Nice. We're still in Hawthorne here by the Volvo dealer. Car behind me. Yep. Let him go. Cool. What was that? I know it's around. Saw something on the ground here. Oh no. Somebody's bumper. Yep, somebody lost a bumper. So if this is a Volvo dealer and we came this way, let's go here. We haven't gotten this far up. We'll go up here and then Summer Street. I don't know if we went up Summer Street. This is nice though, right? Where is this going to take us? To the Heights? This is Laura. We went that way. Oh, we came down this way. Let's go up and then we'll make a right somewhere. How's that? Yeah, as long as we're not killing ourselves, let the bike do the work for us. Thank you guys if you stayed this long. It's a miracle. I appreciate you guys. All these rocks in the road. Hey, let's go down this one. Bremen Ave. Where's she gonna take us? I have no clue. But just enjoy the ride, guys. Nobody behind me. It's a little slope downhill. We'll let the hill do the work. Yeah, we're gonna lose it soon, so. Well, that says 23, that says 22, I don't know. Maybe that thing is being kind. Yeah, you never know. You never know. That's good. I was going to go over there, but it looks like there's houses over there. Look at that. Garden State Industrial Park. Wow. That's pretty awesome. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys. If you stayed this long, I appreciate it. I'm going to end it here. When it ends, it ends. Thank you for watching. Let's see. A couple houses over there. Got about 19 seconds before the video goes off. So, thank you guys. Wouldn't do it without you. Thank you. Have a good night.